Welcome to our channel IAM Technocrats. Hey, this is Manish. Our first section in the course roadmap was, what is Identity and Access Management or IAM? Now, the next section contains the why, how, who and what of IAM.
Hey, this is Priya. We discussed the how of IAM in previous video, but who is involved? Who recognizes the organizational and functional aspects of IAM? Let's discuss who participates in IAM process.
IAM always implies organizational change. It impacts all teams and areas in organization. It can often be demanding in terms of time and internal resources to manage the IAM processes. Often this aspect is overlooked if IAM is seen as a technical project. The who section is not quite complex because of it encompasses aspects of organization structure, role allocation, as well as the direct IAM stakeholders. It refers to the mobilization and participation of all pertinent areas and requires a strong and ongoing inputs from various business teams and service owners as well as their acceptance of the process. This requires organizational level support and identity data governance and IAM program steering.
That's right, Priya. That's why the company should ask these key questions. Do we have the appropriate leadership and management structure in place? Do our users' management solutions enable and support our business teams properly and effectively? Are the correct teams mobilized for this?
As with anything, there are of course challenges. Digitalization presents IAM challenges in 3 dimensions as given on the screen: user population, access channels, and applications and infrastructure. The user population are getting more extensive and more diverse. Services cross international boundaries and data flows between countries with different legal systems. People interact at multiple levels. They become mobile and work outside every company's walls. In many organizations, the people who are externals are key players in the business may be greater in number than the permanent staff. Access channels or paths used by people to connect to the organization or business are complex. People can use a phone, a tablet, a laptop or a desktop to access company data. Finally, applications and infrastructure are getting more complicated and have more layers and components. It is not clear where the data is or where it is processed or who can read the organization's information. Let us learn more about aspects that cause these challenges.
First of all, user population includes consumer and citizen awareness, consumer generations, consumer mobility, diversity, variety of user types, employee mobility, virtual workplace, enhanced digital experience, requirements of CRM. Further to it, access channels includes device diversification, bring your own device, BYOD, third-party authentication, federation, deperimetrization, mobile applications, international mobility, requirements for biometrics. And finally, applications and infrastructure include collaboration, cloud computing, virtualization, shared infrastructure, globalization, international mobility, networks of networks, mergers and acquisitions, partnerships and joint ventures, cross-border operations.